walk like this, talk like this, look like this, you could never. Bad red bone from the south, riding around hitting licks with a yellow. Bitch so bad when I walk past, niggas sing my name a cappella.
Kalia's at the bank about to cash her check, honey child. Put the money in the bank, honey, don't spend it. So we're about to get something to eat real quick before we start to shop, cause a bitch is hungry. I'm probably gonna go to Kalia and my niece. So I'm probably gonna eat at, I don't know, probably Charlie's. Where y'all wanna eat at? Chick-fil-A, Charlie's Philly steaks, and what's that to your shoe? Kalia OTD of the day. She got on her rose gold Hirachis.
My rose gold Hirachis from my dress is from Forever 21, and my shirt is made by me. So, she said my shirt
She's made by me. What's your day?
I made this.
So you guys, we're probably gonna go to, I know I'm going to Charlie's. We came back so we could go to Charlotte Russe because we didn't have time the other day. We had to leave. So there's a lot of food places out here, y'all. Your girl is trying to vlog, y'all, okay? I'm trying to vlog. Y'all know I'm not a vlogger. But if you guys are enjoying the vlogs, give it a thumbs up. So, what are y'all eating? What are y'all eating? This is where I'm eating, just in case you guys wanted to know. #1 cheese stick in the world. Now, I don't believe that, but this is what I'm about to eat. I'll show you guys my food once I get it. They're going to get something to eat from over here. I think they're going to Chick-fil-A, I believe. I ended up getting the chicken teriyaki, and I got extra cheese and peppers and onions with lettuce. I don't eat mayo and shit like that on my sandwich, so I don't even eat mayo at all, to be honest. I got the seasoned fries, and this is a peach drink. Kalia got Chick-fil-A, and her and my niece is somewhere. I think my niece got pizza from this pizza place right here. I think it's called Sabriar. I don't know, Sabriar, S-B-A-R-R-O. But they have a lot of food places out here, you guys. And if you want to bring your kids out here, they have like a little, I don't know what this called. This be at the fair, y'all know what I'm talking about. But yeah. So sorry if I'm moving a lot, but yeah. So my niece got, what you got, Deja?
I got stuffed pizza.
No, I don't eat beef or pork, but this looks really, really good. Drink.
A mango slush.
You want to say hey to the vlog? Say hi to the vlog. They about to eat. What you get, Kalia?
Chick-fil-A.
I'm saying, what you got in there?
An 8 count with a Sprite.
An 8 count with a Sprite. So yeah, you guys, we're about to grub. This is what we're doing. Okay? Okay. Peace. We are going to Charlotte Russe, of course.
Accomplish. I gotta get you a soup.
A what?
A cannoli. Right here. Oh, that thing inside? Oh, cannoli. These are so good. Look, Boston said they're really good. Yeah. Cannolis are wonderful. What do you mean by me today? You tried to take my shoes last time I was here. I'm putting a bodysuit this color to go with my shirt.
Clea's looking for a bodysuit. This color.
A bodysuit, a spaghetti strap bodysuit this color to go under this black men's shirt that I got. Stay tuned.
It's a sale, you guys. Remember my last vlog? We came here, but we had to leave, so we're back. They have a big sale, buy one, get one for a dime.
Oh my god. When I tell you I haven't been to Charlotte in so long, I'm about to cry. I'm sorry.
Oh my god. So you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what we get because they have music playing. And okay, those some cute little hoodie dresses over there. I was gonna say hood. Hoodie dresses right here. Them cute. For 19. Bitch, we are back in business. And they have all like the neon colors and stuff like that. So I'll show you guys what we get. $15. You better come look over here and see if you see some, child, while you're here playing. I even have 50% off some of the jeans in here too, y'all. So, like I said, I'm gonna come back and show y'all what we get. This is gonna be a real short vlog because we just have to go to Fashion Nova, Forever 21.
She said Fashion Nova.
We're going to, yeah, so I'll show you guys what we get. So, Kalia, like these jeans right here, I think these are really, really cute, the prints. And they can wear these to school as long as it doesn't show any skin underneath it. I think she liked those over there too. They're two different colors. And if you guys are wondering where my son is, he's at football camp. So he is not going to be in this vlog. But you guys know, my kids are not vloggers. They're just, you know what I'm saying? Since we're shopping, it's just like a, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to go ahead and try to do a little footage for y'all. But my guys, you guys know I am not a vlogger. I'm just trying my best to kind of show you guys back to school shopping and stuff like that. So, did you find this color? I believe these are it right here. I think these are it right here.
I was just looking for those, but they have them in my size.
You need a 9
Yes.
or 11.
A 9.
Girl, stop lying. You need 11.
No, I need a 9.
Girl, you just 8.
Okay. That's not even fair.
Their bodysuits are 50% off, so they're $5, you guys. Yeah, over here, just this wall. These bodysuits. Yeah, you have to wear a jacket with that.
I know. Yeah, now these pants will be cute.
That's cute.
I like this.
Yeah. They have more bodysuits over here too, Kalia.
I know. They got designer ones. Like design.
I don't see that lime green bodysuit you're looking for. Oh, these are cute, Kalia. These are cute. These are cute. I like them. They high-waisted. And they only $10. These are cute. Try a pair on. Those cute. I love them. Like with the high waist. And you know what, Clea? This would be cute too with a shirt like that.
These would be cute with a bodysuit.
Yeah, even this little shirt color right here. Clea, this would be cute with the tan pants. Let's see how it looks, you guys. With... I like those pants. Super cute. They have overalls, Kalia. Oh, these shirts are really cute right here. Oh, this one is cute, but bitch, not for no $29. So we're back here, you guys, and literally everything back here is 50% off. Like 50% off, $15. You like them, Kalia? Those are cute.
These are so cute.
You like them?
I'm about to be styling them for $5.
This is cute. Yes, I'm about to get me some stuff too, y'all, so I'll be back. Let me see. There she go with them damn feet out. I like them.
These pants?
I like them pants too, Deja.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna look.
Yeah.
Look. See, I'm never get this top.
Try the 9, then that's 11.
This is a 9.
You gonna get that top, Deja?
Yeah, Yeah, I'm gonna get the top.
That top is cute.
This
Yeah.
is a 9. All my pants fit like this, but this is a 9. It's not. If I put that 11 on, it's gonna be all the way up.
Go try a 7.
7.
Yeah. She's so country. Look at her, y'all. No. Let's see how these fit. Yeah, I like that fit better. Yeah. Are these high waisted? What they selling for?
Super high waisted. That's what
Super high waisted.
we like fashion over.
Okay.
Okay, so a 7. That's our size here.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Glad we established that. Bye guys. I'm going back. You like these? I like these. What kind of shoes would go with this? Black? These are 7. These are cute.
Cute. I like it. Deja, I literally got that top. I have that top right here. Let me see how it look on you. Yeah, I like that top.
Yeah, no, this is cute and comfortable.
Yeah.
And a little baggy, but it's fine. This is 7.
Yeah, I like them.
So my size here is a 7.
Yeah.
You thought I was an 11. I'm not that big. I love these jeans. Fashion over wedding. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
That's a yes for both of y'all?
Yes. So the other jeans, I need to swap those out for a size 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
You getting that, Deja?
Yes.
I sit here and wait. I just want you guys to know that Charlotte Russe needs to step their shoe game up. They used to have really, 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 really nice shoes, and now they got these. Like, just, you know, those are some cute little sandals over there, but what are those? Kind of cute. Kind of remind me of stripper shoes, but okay. You want to throw that ass in a circle, definitely come here. They got what you need, okay? Yeah, like, these are kind of like the low-budgeted kids, so yeah, they need to step their shoe game up. Step it up, Charlotte Russe. I mean, but they're only 10, so yeah.
This is a 9, but they're different brands.
This is cute. I like those.
I like these.
Yeah. Cute. Girl, if you don't get your ass.
Okay, I'm gonna try the cuter stuff here.
So the jeans are all a go?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I have to trade those other 2 jeans out for size 7.
That's all you saw, Deja?
Yeah.
For fall, y'all know I'm a big girl. I gotta wear the chunky ass heels. I can't wear them little heels like them little girls, okay? I got a lot of meat in my bone, and I need something that's gonna support it. This definitely gonna support it times 3. But I think these are so cute to wear with like leggings and a sweater in the fall time. These are cute. I'm gonna try these on and see. Let me see.
I don't know, like.
For one, the pants is way too
I
long.
don't like these pants.
The shirt cute.
The shirt's cute.
That shirt's cute. Put it up just in case. Put it like on the arm part.
No, it don't even go on. Like, it's
No, like put it up. I want to see how it look like that. See, they might let you wear that to school.
First of all, this is supposed to be off the shoulder and it's yanking on the arm.
Well, that's because I got you a small. You need a medium. Turn around, let me see. I like the top. Throw your hair back. I like the top. I don't know if I like the pants. The pants is way too.
But I like the shirt.
You could get the shirt. Okay.
Forever 21. Oh, no, those are
I like those.
I like this
It's
outfit
cute.
too.
Those cute.
I like this together. Like this together.
Yeah. That's
It's
cute.
cute. I like this.
Okay.
I like how these fit too. But okay.
So we are in Forever 21. I found this shirt. I think it's really, really cute. Kalia is over there somewhere and they are playing music. So I'm not sure if it's going to be the end of the vlog or not, you guys. But yeah, they have music and YouTube would definitely copyright a bitch. So yeah. So far, I like this one here. It's in the lime green. This one here, I like this one in the lime green with the print. This is just so cute. And then Kalia pick this one out. This one's cute. Wait, what you got?
These two.
Check this bodysuit and this little like, this is like a, it's cute though. So
I cannot find a slime colored spaghetti strap bodysuit for nothing.
okay, well, they don't really have. It looks like I got a lot, you guys, but this store is so like.
This is so cute.
The rug rat, that is cute. This is cute. That's all you see?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Deja, you see nothing? Deja, you see something? Okay, well, that's cute. That Mountain Dew is cute too. What size is that?
Small.
See, I would buy it if they had my size. I like that. It's cute.
You got a lot of cute stuff that's on the floor.
Have a huge sale and Forever 21. Like, look at this clearance sale. And you take additional 50% off. Like, yes, God.
It's gonna be so cute.
Thank you.
I know a sexy motherfucker like myself might offend some. Bitch, I'm the shit and then some. This ain't no motherfucking race cause I've been one. And if you don't like it, tune the fuck out. And you must like it cause you tuned the fuck in. Bitch, I'm a 10 like I landed and stuck it. If you don't like me, little bitch, you can suck it. All of my haters is crabs in a bucket. Nose in the air cause they fucking disgust me. None of these
So y'all know I don't eat crab meat or nothing like that. I just eat shrimp. So I have boiled corn, potatoes, shrimp, and boiled eggs and sausage. About to smash.
I had to hop off the porch and go get it. I went to pick up the torch and then lit it. They tried to tell me I can't, but I did it. When I pull up, bitches look like they shit it. I had to start from the motherfucking bottom.